I think I want to make like a an introduction. So let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start off by grooming my brows. You must groom your brows to have all the hair strands going in one place. So next I'm gonna start trimming just some unruly hair strands because like I usually have some strands that be going everywhere and they don't be laying right when you do finish your brows. Like it needs to lay in one spot. So I'm just gonna like clean around the edges and like take away any hairs that's too far from my brows. Just anything that I see is supposed to go away. I don't know if there's like a specific way you're supposed to do it, but this is how I do my brows. And I didn't go get my brows done from the salon in like a year or probably longer than that. Like I really don't get my brows done. I like to do it myself or just don't get them done at all. I just tweeze away any little hairs that I see that I don't like having there. So yep. And now this is just my tweezers that I bought like 2 years ago from Sephora online. I ordered it along with some other palette. I forgot exactly what it was, but yeah, I got it long ago and it works pretty good, but I've had better quality tweezers that's not from Sephora. But anyways, so I use black eyeliner to fill in my brows because I don't really even have a brown. I need to actually get a brown pencil, but I use black eyeliner because it works for me. So, I mean, it been working. You just need to know how to use it properly. So that's what I've been using for my brows. And so after you fill in your brows, you need to brush it back. And then I put powder on it along with some wax. So I dip it in the wax. Then I dip it in the darkest powder. And then I run the powder along my whole brow length, even the beginning. But just do it really lightly at the beginning because it's supposed to be like a fade. And you want it to look real natural. You don't want it to look all dark and too heavy and bulky. Well, just for me, that's just the way I like to do my brows. I don't like it to have mad darkness and stuff, like looking like a marker or a Sharpie. Nah, I don't do all that. So, yeah, I'm just gonna keep brushing my brows. Okay, now we're on to still brushing the brows. Oh, wait, yeah, we're about to groom the brows again because you need to blend the powder with the pencil editing that you just did. So I guess I'm on to carving out my brows. Yeah, I'm on to carving out my brows now with concealer. And this little concealer that I'm about to show y'all right here, I bought this like mad years ago. Like, I had that concealer for so long. I forgot. No, that's an It Cosmetics. Yeah, that's an It Cosmetics concealer. I don't know why it's so small, but I had it for a really long time. And I use this all the time, but it's kind of running out. So I have a new concealer. I just didn't want to use it in this video because I normally use this concealer. I'm going to use this until it's finished. So I just bought my LA Pro Girl concealer so I can use that when this one runs out. But for now, this is what I use and that's how I do my brows with this. So it is a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but if you blend it out really, really well, then it will look good. Because I don't like to have concealers for your brows that's your same color. Like you're not highlighting and you're not making your brows pop. No way. Like I tried that before and it doesn't really look that good when you use your own skin tone. Like you can use your own skin tone on the top, but I just don't like to do it that way. I like to just not use any products on top at all, or if I wanted to be really fancy and go all out, I would just use this concealer for the top and the bottom. Oh yeah, so I bought this concealer brush that it came in this little container. I bought this package from Rite Aid like a year ago as well. Um and I use the other brushes for eyeshadow. I need to clean them actually. Yeah, I use this one for concealer and this other skinny one. I think it's called a eyeliner, a winged eyeliner pencil brush or whatever. But I really like using this brush because it blends my concealer. So it can apply the product. And when you have no more product on the brush, you can use it to blend because it really blends out really well. And sometimes it could get difficult to blend the product when it's so close to your brows and you don't want to use your finger. Like it could warm it and just melt straight into your brows, and your brows gonna be blurry. So I just like to use a brush to get really, really close to my brows, and if I can't get any closer, then I'm just gonna have to dab it with my finger. So I'm just still carving out my brows for some reason. I don't know why this video, it was so long. I had to chop it up a whole lot. I don't normally take this long for my brows, but I took really long, maybe because I knew that I had enough time to do my brows today, and it was really, really detailed, and I'm trying to make sure it be really sharp and spicy enough for the video. So maybe that's why I took so long here and stuff. So I mean it's coming out to look really, really good and things. So I mean, if it looks good, then it was worth taking all these minutes and stuff like that. So if you have your own way of doing your brows, you can just leave it in the comment section below, some ways that you would do your brows yourself, and like what are some good products to use, like a brow. I need a new brow pencil, but I don't really know what's a good one. I really want something natural, but a really, really dark brown, something that's really close to black, because I do like dark brows. I just need to use it lightly if I don't want it to be dark that day. But I can't be using this black eyeliner all the time. I'm literally using black on my brows. So if you can tell me a good color and a good brand to use, that would be good, because I mean, I would use it, obviously. And maybe a new brow powder. Just, I don't know, just any tips that you might have that you think would be very useful. I can take any information down, so just leave it below and I will definitely look into it. So this is the end of the video now. I hope you guys like the finished results. I did my other brow off camera because I just felt like it would take too long, and I didn't feel like sitting and just recording anymore and wasting up my space. So yeah, this is it, and this is all I gotta show. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll get back to you guys in the next video. Peace.